Okay, welcome back students. In this session we are going to learn about another patience revolt, that is the Kheda Satyagraha, the Mapla rebellion and the Bardoli Satyagraha. Okay, the first one is Kheda Satyagraha. So the Kheda is the district of Gujarat. Okay, so due to the constant famines, agriculture failed in 1980, but the government insist on collection of full land revenue. Okay, so 1918 Gujarat, the Kheda district was affected by the famine, but the British officers forced to collection of full revenue. So the local peasants started a no tax movement in Kheda district in 1918. Okay, the year was 1918, no tax. Okay, Gandhi accepted the leadership of this movement. So Gandhiji he accepted the movement. Gandhiji organized the peasants to offer satyagraha and opposed official insistence on the full collection of oppressive land revenue despite of the condition of famine. So the Gandhiji organized the satyagraha. So he gave a voice against the British due to the famine. How to the people give a revenue, full revenue. He inspired the peasants to be the fearless and face all consequences. So he gave support to the agriculture people and cultivators. So he gave full support to peasants for a fearless and face all consequences. So the response to his call was unprecedented and the government had to bow to a settlement with the peasants. So due to the Kheda Satyagraha, the government bowed to the settlement with peasants. So cultivators settlement okay சொல்லிட்டாங்க. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel emerged as an important leader of the Indian freedom struggle during this period. So during this time, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel entered in the Indian freedom struggle. Okay. Next one is the Maflak rebellion. Okay, Mafla rebellion. This rebellion was started in the Malabar. Okay, so this rebellion happened between the Muslim peasants with the Hindu Jamindar. Okay, so the Muslim Mapla peasants was exploited by the Hindu Jamindar. Okay, and the British government. So the revolt was happened. Okay, Mapla peasants got momentum from the Malabar District Conference held in April 1920. Okay, the Malabar Conference happened in the 1920, but the conference gave support to the tenants. Okay, and he maintained the relationship between landlord and tenant. Okay, so in against 1921 the Maflak tenants rebelled against the oppressive Jamindar. So in the 1921 Maflak rebellion started against the oppressive Jamindar. In the initial phase of the rebellion, the Maflak peasants attacked the police station, public offices, communication, and the house of the landlords and the moneylenders. So initially, the starting stage, the Maflak peasants attacked the British buildings. Okay, but December 1921, the government ruthlessly suppressed the Maflak rebellion. According to the official estimate, as a result of government intervention, 2,337 Maflak rebels were killed. How many persons? 2,337 persons killed and 1,650 persons were wounded and more than 45,000 people were prisoners after the end of the rebellion. So the Maflak rebellion was ended by the most of the people killed, some of the people were wounded and some people were captured by the British people. Okay, so the rebellion was ended in the year of December 1921. Next one is the Bardoli Satyagraha. So Bardoli Satyagraha. So the Bardoli place also the district of Gujarat. Okay. The Satyagraha is again leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. So கைடா சத்தியாகிரக யார் கைட் பண்ணாங்க காந்திஜி. But the Bardoli Satyagraha is guided by the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. In protest against the government proposed to increase land revenue by 30%. Okay. So this was Satyagraha happened due to the increasing the land revenue amount. Okay, so the British government increased the land revenue amount by the 30%. So the peasant refused to pay tax at the enhanced rate and started no tax campaign from 12th February 1928. Okay, so this Satyagraha starting from 1928. Okay, so the peasants refused to pay the high taxes. ஸோ 30%ன்றது அவங்களால என்னது பே பண்ண முடியாதனால அவங்களால பே பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரிபேலியன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாங்க. In 1930, the peasants of Bardoli rose to a man, refused to pay taxes, faced the accusation sales and the eventual loss of almost all of their lands, but refused to submit to the government. So in the 1930, the peasants sold the land in the low amount. ஓகே, ஸோ குறைந்த ஏலத்துக்கு அவங்களுடைய லேண்டில் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, சேல் பண்ணிட்டாங்க இந்த இயர் ஆஃப் 1930. ஸோ பிரிட்டிஷ்க்கு வந்து நாங்கள் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறதில்ல, டேக்ஸ் பே பண்ணுறதில்ல, அதுக்கு எங்களோட லேண்டை வந்து என்ன பண்ணிடலாம், குறைந்த ஏலத்துக்கே விற்றுடுறோம். பட் ஆனால் பிரிட்டிஷ்க்கு என்ன பண்ண மாட்டோம், டேக்ஸ் பே பண்ண மாட்டோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி போராட்டம் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே, பட் ஆல் their lands were turned to them when the Congress came to power in 1937. ஸோ 1930 வந்து சேல் பண்ணாங்க இல்லையா, 1937 அந்த லேண்ட் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, காங்கிரஸ் வந்து ஆட்சி பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க லேண்ட் வந்து திரும்பவும் பெஷன்ஸ்கிட்டே ஹேண்ட் ஓவர் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஸோ this is the end of the Bardoli Satyagraha. The lesson also ended. If you have any doubt, you may call me. Okay students, thank you.